Today, I'm standing in front of the 2023 Raptor 362. This tandem axle is exactly 40 foot long and boasts a 13-foot garage. We introduced this floor plan last year and it has been a hit with its built-in dinette and dedicated space for entertaining outside. Let's go check it out. You asked and we answered. Rarely do you find a toy hauler with a devoted space for dining that isn't in the garage. The Raptor 362 is the perfect example that you can, in fact, have the best of both worlds. This well-configured floor plan not only gives owners a large garage, but also ample living space. The U-shaped kitchen has everything that owners need for their adventures with a 3-burner cooktop, oven, 16.5 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, and a convection microwave. Even though 13 foot of this 40-foot floor plan is taken up by the garage, there is still tons of storage and countertop space throughout the kitchen. Opposite the kitchen, you'll notice the wall of cabinets that is a perfect location for pantry space or other items that you need to stow away. This floor plan is unique to the industry given the fact that there is actually devoted space for owners and their families to dine. The dinette easily seats 4 with room for more on the end. We also can't forget about the convenient outlet next to the dinette so that owners can use this space as a home office on the go. The extra large reclining Thomas Payne sofa is directly across from the TV, giving owners the perfect spot to kick up their feet and watch the big game. The 13-foot garage is prepped for washer dryer, has 11 frame welded tie-down touch points, and new for 2023, all Raptor garages feature the award-winning larger dovetail storage that gets patio steps off the garage floor and safely stored during transit. Up in the master suite, owners are given generous storage space with overhead cabinetry and a convenient wardrobe slide with spots to hang and fold clothing items. The dual entrance bathroom features a large shower big enough that owners can get a built-in shower seat and a good-sized vanity coupled with a medicine cabinet. Thank you for checking out the 2023 Raptor 362. We are super excited to be showing off this unique floor plan. For more great content, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button below so that we can help you camp better.